Man was once an outdoorsman, living in and with nature, in the open air, enjoying the sunshine, wind, and water. Being outside is in our genes, because we still feel better when we are outside, on the beach, in the mountains, in the woods, on a patio, at the campsite. Being outside gives us a sense of freedom and well-being. Being outside activates our senses. But today we spend 90% of our time inside our houses, homes, and apartments, inside offices, hospitals, care homes, schools, and academies, inside cars, buses, trains, and planes. We have been transformed into an indoorsman, but still with the same needs as the outdoorsman. Need for fresh, clean air, an atmosphere in which you can relax, with the right temperature and light in which you feel comfortable and protected.